Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the TP-Link 1200 extender. Now this might be if you just changed Wi-Fi or you've bought it second hand, but basically as you can see at the minute it comes up as Sky 30 DO1 extension, but I want to reset it. And all you have to do, you see this little thing at the bottom that says reset, get something like maybe like a SIM ejector tool of this little thing here. Literally just get it in there, wait till you feel a little click and just hold it down till you see all the lights at the top flash. So once you've done that, obviously just wait because it's resetting, and you've just got to wait till the Wi-Fi extender network shows up. As you can see now, the network TP-Link Wi-Fi extender has come up, which means this is now reset. We can connect to this network and reset it up. So yeah, hope you guys found the video helpful. I hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.